And here's a follow-up for the recent lawnmower I got, this Troy Bilt model TB110 with a Briggs & Stratton 550EX engine on it. And it cleaned up really nice. I think this is probably the nicest one that I've got this year as far as the overall appearance. Cleaned up nice under here. There is no real rust to be seen. And I did go ahead and change the oil in this. I don't think it ever been changed. And it was overfilled to begin with. And now it's right to the little bit above that second hole on the dipstick. Also cleaned the air filter in this. This air filter was beginning to look like it had oil on it, I think because they had overfilled it. So I've now cleaned this as best as I could. And this blade was in really good shape. I didn't even sharpen it. And cleaned underneath here. It's not perfect by no means, but it's about as good as you're going to ever get for a used lawnmower. Usually you see a lot of scratches on the sides here. There's not really any to be talked about. There's a little scratch here. Just an excellent condition Troy Bilt model TB110. Let's give this a start. And let's see if this will start as easy as it did the other day. Here we go. Troy Bilt.